Hi everybody, Luke here. This time in response to Radoslav's challenge. What I liked a lot was this idea of the tasteless and the worth of produce. And I wanted to take it a little bit in a more humorous manner about how can something really be perfect. So this is my response.
The perfect tomato. Should be juicy, red, full, shiny, and it should look perfect. The perfect cucumber should be long, green, and also juicy. The perfect pineapple should be full and tropical, and also have really juicy flesh. Juicy flesh. Juicy, perfect fruit and perfect vegetables should be juicy.